Hi everyone, this is Student Affairs. All right, pay attention. We have this question on the board. Let's solve it. 4x minus 9 equals 2x plus 3 over 3. All right, we are asked to find the value of x. Solution. You first of all rewrite the question. 4x minus 9 equals 2x plus 3 over 3. This is a fraction, so we can also make this to be a fraction. 4x minus 9 is written as 4x minus 9 over 1. And because there is an equality sign holding the fractions, we can cross multiply. That's the next thing to do. Follow carefully. So 3 will multiply everything here. We now have 3 bracket 4x minus 9 bracket close equals, when one multiply this numerator, it remains the same. So we have 2x plus 3. Follow carefully. Next is to open a bracket. 3 times 4x is what? 12x minus 3 times 9 is 27 equals 2x plus 3. Next step, collecting like terms. So we are going to now have 12x, 2x cross equality sign. It becomes minus 2x equals 3 minus 27 cross equality sign, it becomes plus 27. Are you following? All right. 12x minus 2x gives you 10x equals 3 plus 27, 30. Are you following? We are looking for the value of x and not 10x. So there is a coefficient of x which is 10. For us to make x the subject of formula, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 10. Are you following? 10 cancel 10, right? What do we have left? X equals 0 can cancel 0. 3 divided by 1 is what? 3. Therefore, x equals 3. This is the final answer. If you substitute x as 3 in this equation, you will discover that everything on the left-hand side will equal everything on the right-hand side. That makes this a perfect equation. As a result of this equality sign, everything on the left-hand side ought to equal everything on the right-hand side. Let's quickly prove it. We have a space here. Let's use this small space. 4x, which is now 4x is now 3, right? Bracket minus 9 equals 2x, which is now 3, right? Plus 3 over 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 9 is what? 12 minus 9 is 3. Are you following? Equals 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. The equation is balanced. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. Take your time to watch this video again. Mathematics is not difficult, like I've always said, if you pay rapt attention. Kindly share this video and keep learning. Bye for now.